Ever wonder how a stud finder locates what's hidden behind your walls? Let's take a look at the technology behind this essential tool. Whether you're hanging a heavy mirror or mounting a TV, finding the structural studs is crucial for a secure installation. Stud finders take the guesswork out of home improvement, ensuring you drill into wood rather than empty drywall. Generally, stud finders fall into two main categories: magnetic models and electronic capacitance-based models. Magnetic stud finders are the simpler of the two, relying purely on the physics of attraction. Electronic or capacitance-based stud finders, on the other hand, utilize advanced sensors to detect shifts in density behind the wall surface. Magnetic finders use powerful magnets to locate the steel screws or nails that fasten the drywall to the wooden stud. By moving the device across the wall, it snaps to the location of the metal fasteners, indirectly indicating the position of the stud beneath. Electronic stud finders operate by measuring changes in the electrical field, specifically targeting density variations. These devices measure the dielectric constant of the wall material. The sensor detects how the electrical field is interrupted by changes in density. As the sensor moves, it continuously monitors the capacitance, which fluctuates significantly when it passes over the denser wooden stud. The technology effectively distinguishes between the hollow air gaps, the drywall itself, and the solid mass of a wooden stud. Proper usage always starts with calibration. Most electronic finders must be placed against the wall before being turned on. Calibrating on a flat, neutral section of the wall allows the sensor to establish a baseline reading for that specific surface density. Once calibrated, move the device slowly and steadily across the surface. A sudden movement can confuse the sensor and lead to false readings. With a better understanding of how these tools work, you can scan your walls with confidence and tackle your home projects safely. Whether magnetic or electronic, these clever devices turn the invisible structure of your home into a simple, mapped surface.